The world of work is changing. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a major force behind this change. AI is transforming industries and the jobs within them. This is not entirely new. Technology has always reshaped how we work. Think of the invention of the printing press or the steam engine. AI is the next step in this evolution. AI brings a new level of automation and intelligence to tasks. This is changing how we do our jobs. It's also changing the skills we need to succeed. AI is not just about robots taking over, it's about humans and machines working together. This collaboration will define the future of work. This new era requires adaptation. We need to understand the changes AI brings. We must embrace new skills and ways of working. This will allow us to thrive in an AI-powered world. The future of work is here. It's time to embrace the possibilities. AI's most significant impact is automation. Repetitive, rule-based tasks are now done by machines. This affects jobs in manufacturing, customer service, and data entry. Self-checkout kiosks are replacing cashiers. Chatbots answer customer questions online. Robots assemble products in factories. This shift can lead to job displacement. Some jobs will become obsolete. However, history shows us that technology also creates jobs. The invention of the car displaced horse-drawn carriage drivers, but it also created countless jobs in the automobile industry. AI is no different. While it automates some jobs, it also creates new ones. These new roles require skills in AI development, data science, and automation management. The demand for professionals in these fields is growing rapidly. As AI becomes more sophisticated, new job roles are emerging. AI specialists are needed to develop and train AI systems. Data scientists analyze vast amounts of data to extract insights. Automation specialists design and implement automated processes. These new roles require a specific set of skills. Technical skills are essential, including programming, data analysis, and AI algorithms. But soft skills are equally important. Critical thinking, problem-solving, and communication are crucial for success in an AI-driven workplace. Furthermore, AI is not limited to technical fields. It's being integrated into healthcare, finance, education, and more. This creates opportunities for professionals in these sectors to leverage AI in their work. Doctors can use AI for diagnosis and treatment planning. Financial analysts can use AI for fraud detection and risk assessment. The key to thriving in this changing landscape is adaptability. We must embrace lifelong learning and reskilling. This means acquiring new knowledge and updating our skills. Governments, businesses, and educational institutions all have a role to play in providing access to these opportunities. The focus should be on skills that AI cannot replicate. Creativity, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking are uniquely human traits. These skills will be highly valued in the AI-powered workplace. By cultivating these skills, we can ensure our relevance and value. The future of work is not about humans versus machines. It's about humans and machines working together. By embracing this collaboration, we can enhance productivity, drive innovation, and create a more fulfilling work experience. The AI revolution is here. Let's embrace the opportunities it brings and shape a future where humans and AI thrive together.